because I make some error in somewhere. My function, it's not, okay? FZ is here, how are you? Today I'm going to explain you the possibilities that we have when we want to see an output of a JavaScript code. So how can we display the result in our HTML document? Okay, so if this is your first time in my channel, just let me welcome you, and I am here just to share with you some knowledge about web development. So let's get started. As we can see on the screen, we have four ways. Okay, the first one is document.write parentheses. Okay, the second one is inner HTML. The third one is window.alert parentheses, and the last one and the most useful, console.log parentheses. Okay, so we use all these ways, all this method, just to know or testing purposes. Okay, so the main goal is to test our code. Okay, so let's go and jump and see this in our Visual Code Studio. Okay, so as you can see here in my screen, I have my Visual Studio Code. I have just a P, a button tags, and I have a style file here just to make it look beautiful. Okay, let's just get started. Here I will write script. Okay, I'll write script and directly document write between parentheses 1 + 2. Okay, go out and semicolon. As you can see, I have 3 as a result. So in order to display the output, okay, that we have in JavaScript code, in this JavaScript code, just to write it directly document.write between parentheses and the operation. Okay, so in the case that I have the HTML loaded in this case. Okay, now I have my HTML loaded, the P is here and the button is here, and now I want to do a function. I want to do something. For example, I'll write a script again, another script. Okay, and here just I will create a function. All right, function, my function, and between parentheses open the curly brackets and write document write between parentheses, I don't know, for example, happy to see you here. Okay, so this function, I want to do it, I want to put it in action when I click on this button. So here I will just write the event or the attribute on click. Okay, on click equal and my function. Okay, at between brackets. All right, so this is good. So when I click on this, what will happen? What will happen? What will be happening? Nothing, because I make some error in somewhere. My function, it's not okay. It's okay. Yeah, I need to refresh the page. So this is the sentence. What? Okay, the same sentence. Happy to see you. What happened? When we have our HTML loaded, okay, and come and see or create a function, I create something that we want JavaScript to do, so all this HTML disappears. These HTML elements disappear. Okay, again. So if I refresh and I click here, nothing is here. Okay, just the sentence that I write. So I hope that you understand this difference. And this, it's not a difference actually, this point, because it's so important that you see it. And this is why a lot of times you can find that it's not recommended use document.write to test. Okay, there is another method that we will see it in next video. I hope you enjoy my video, and if you find it useful to you, just thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye bye.